everyone? Got a 2018 BMW X5 today. We're going to replace the remote key fob battery. Okay, so this is really simple to do. Right here on the left side of the remote, you have a little button at the bottom. And what we're going to do is we're going to push that button to pull out the emergency key out the bottom here. So we're going to push and then pull out the key, okay? And once we have the key out, we're going to turn it over. And we're basically going to remove this panel here. And the way it comes off like this, okay? So I'll show you what this looks like again. Emergency key goes in here, and we're going to want to pry this from this side first. Okay. Go this way with it, okay? The reason why I say that is because it slips in this way, okay, with these little tabs you have here. Since we have that out, you see the battery is right here. Turn it upside down. Small flathead screwdriver. Just go ahead and go after the very bottom here. You can just kind of pry it right out and pull it right out. Okay. So the way the battery goes in, it goes in this little slotted piece here. Okay. So that's why you have to pry it at the bottom. I'll get a new battery and I'll show you what size. This battery size here is a CR2032. This is a Duracell battery, and we're gonna have the positive sign facing out. Again, it needs to go in like this. Click right in. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have an Amazon link there for you for the correct size. And we're gonna put this right side in first, and then we're gonna snap this back down. Okay, like that. The emergency key goes back in, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate you. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. I'll see you again in another video.